What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254 being and returning in for another one. Finna get ready to do some stuff, but before I do, man, I wanted to show y'all some stuff that I got from the Big Showdown 3. Did a little shopping with my man Don't Master. So y'all know I love a good hoodie. I think I got so I got the Gap Sauce hoodie right there. Gap Sauce hoodie. Let's see what else we got in here. We got the Cool Hustle Game bag. We got the towel. Red Cool towel. Like all of this like came together. Like the bandana, the towel, the limited edition Don't Master a Cool shirt. This was also this was all like part of a little package deal. And then so that came I think free once you bought like a certain amount of stuff. So I got the Gap Sauce hoodie. I bought an In-N-Out custom shirt. I got an In-N-Out Customs hat. And then these is shades. Let's say what, Holly? Yeah, Holly shades. So that's a little bit of drip, man. Y'all know as we get closer to wrapping up these cars, man, we ain't gonna always be in our garage apparel. So that part. But yeah, if we're gonna head out here to the garage, I need to flip. Well, you see the $2 primer down. Yeah, I mean, but the reason I came out here today because I need to flip. I need to flip this. What this thing called? Oh yeah. I need to flip the trifecta. Flip the trifecta around. So what I'm gonna do is so that way like it'll be facing toward the garage. So if it's like nighttime or something, I can go ahead and throw the rest of that stuff on there. Also, when I go to put this wheel on, I can pretty much brace it that way and it'll be up there towards the light. If it happen to be nighttime, you know, whatever the situation is. So let me get her crunk up. It been a while. I don't even think I'm gonna pull it like all the way up. Like I'm gonna have it back some. Probably have it to where the front of the car is like right there. So that way it's a nice gap right there. I think when it be raining out the house, man, everything be coming down right there. So I want to wash it, you know what I mean? But I don't want it to get like right back dirty. You know what I'm saying? So, yep. So let me do this, flip it around, and then I'll cut y'all back on. So yeah, like I said, it should be real plain, real simple. I had the battery disconnected because I ain't want it to unnecessarily drain or nothing like that. So I'm gonna hook that back up and we should be able to crank it on over in theory. But you know, a lot of stuff don't never go the way it's planned. But We'll see what happens. Oh, that's the wrong key. Alright, so we got a little baby turning around. Ooh, she's sexy. So sexy. Super, super sexy. Yeah, we're gonna get that feel like I said, eventually get that front end and all that stuff put on there. That's why I gotta flip it around so we can get to that. And then also we're gonna show y'all I got something else. Some more merch. This comes from my brother Swaps. It says my wine when I'm thirsty. Whistle game. He know I've been thinking about LSA supercharging, and I said something about getting a ZL1. So I appreciate that. And then I got that all white. Got that all white whistle gang like that. So shout out to my man Swap's Performance. If y'all don't got him already, man. If y'all don't got him, man, y'all been asleep, man. I've been rocking with the boy since he was, well, not with the boy. I've been rocking with the man since he was Swaps and Stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then along his YouTuber journey, you know what I'm saying, he has evolved from Swaps and Stuff to Swaps Performance, man. But I'll always know him as Swaps and Stuff first. So that's how we rocking over here, man. Race car shit coming real soon. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Race truck shit coming real soon. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's cruiser shit. And this in here, that's cruiser shit too. Everything been LS swapped. For if y'all new to the channel, LS swap. All of them sat right there at one point in time and period. This was our latest LS swap. This is our latest full culmination. You know what I'm saying? This was pretty much everything. Motor swap, paint job, everything. So I gotta see exactly what it is that's going on there. And then I don't know exactly why it is this other one is back here. But yeah, that's the bumper filler. We're gonna get that installed here, along with the where's my rear bumper fillers? Let's see. Let's look in the garage and see. But yeah, nothing. I don't know where the rear bumper filler is, but I got them though. I got them. So till next time, man. It's your boy. Hey, let's ship it right up 254. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for these Tudo updates. We now dripping in that primer. And so we're gonna be getting like that over there real soon on Smart. So appreciate y'all tapping in. Hit that subscribe button. Join the LSCR Nation, man. And we gone. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.